And we're back.
Hi there.
Hi. Oh, the couch is slipping a bit. Alright, well, we're back with some more Forza. Yep, last session of Forza today, so... Oh my god. That's a bit loud. Turn that down a bit. Alright, turn around when it's safe to do so. Where am I going? I just did this. What the... Alright, let's have a look at the map.
Marker. Let's go to another race.
Start one. That's new.
There we go.
Let's go there.
There you go.
Wow! Whoa. I thought I was going to drift a lot more. Alright. Let's drive. Okay. I don't think that was quite 400 meters, but who cares?
There we right.
Yeah. Alrighty, both of them are going strong.
Woo! We fixed
We
it.
fixed the audio thing.
We now have 2 mics properly.
Yay.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't echo.
Yeah.
It might. Oh well.
Oh, yeah.
If it echoes too much, then, you know, we'll
sort it out.
We'll sort it out. We will. Alright. I'm gonna go straight there.
Destination. Start flying through everything.
Yeah, they're just like, what are you... What? Wow!
It's a shortcut, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. It's all good. Oh god. Oh god, there's the festival. Oh god. Ow.
Hi.
Oh, it's me! That's my account! Add me! Why am I a female? Alright, iamacheekyfish.
Destination.
Oh, this is cool. It's a tunnel.
Tunnel.
I have to slow down.
Tunnel. Woo! Let's
Perfect.
go.
What am I wearing?
Where have we go? I don't know.
Clothes.
Yeah.
Clothes. My god, that's actually working really well now, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I fixed it.
We did it good.
Well, tune my car. I don't want to do that. Start race.
I don't know what that means.
I don't know how to tune. Wow, that's got a butt. That car's got a butt.
Ram into it.
Oh,
Oh, they predicted your movements.
it's a smart car. My god, it's pretty fast as well. I'll use them as a brake. I missed.
Damn.
Alright, on this side. Elliot Reed. God, I wish there was a way to just hide the names. There probably
The names
is.
are annoying.
Yeah. It's like, oh, that's me. Oh, shit, yeah.
Shit.
Way.
No, random accounts just got free bloody publicity.
Yeah, true.
So I don't have much to worry about this video. I'll only probably get like 10 views anyway.
True. I mean, you never know. Tomorrow we might look at him. Oh my god, 300,000 subscribers. Whoa.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
Magic.
Yeah, magic. God, I need a coffee or something.
Yeah.
My eyes are fucking... Oh, it's been a long day.
It has indeed taken a very long time just to start recording.
Pretty much. Well, we only started recording just before lunch or something.
Yeah, we started recording like 2-3 hours late.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just catching up a bit.
Pretty much. Here we go. Ultimate E-Drift. Nice.
It just...
F. Great clean racing. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yay! First place.
It's all a simulation.
Aw. Yeah, we're not actually in the world. Princess Smegoff. That's a really dirty name.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well. Continue. Yay, we won. Continue.
Pixar.
Yay, I won. Continue. No. Yay, I won.
We're so good at winning. Yeah.
I won again. Oh man, I got more credits.
I put you through to the next round of the Horizon Road Racing Series. How could I not with you driving like that?
I don't know.
But it doesn't start until autumn. Can you amuse yourself until then?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're very easily amused, don't worry about
Yeah.
it.
You've caught caught the eye of Alex, one of our Horizon
Alex?
stars. He's
Hello.
looking for new racers to take part in the
Dirt racing series. Yes. Woo! Let's do it. I'm gonna do dirt racing.
Let's go.
What if I get to drive in a dirt racing car? We'd have to drive in this.
Yeah. The dirt racing Audi.
A
Yeah.
nice little sports coupe. Is it a coupe? I think it's a coupe. In the comments, let us know if. Oh, okay. Let us know if this is a coupe.
Yes.
It's a car.
That's fun. Bang. Crash rate.
I can beat
Honk honk. Eat
Frog. Frog Steed. I don't know. Frog.
What?
I don't know.
Great.
Going too fast. Frostage Luna. Alright. Let's go this way. Hey. Like it's so much more open than any other Forza game. Oh, Forza Horizon 3 is pretty open. But still, this one's just crazy. I can destroy trees. Yeah, Forza Horizon 3 was set in Australia, so there's no trees to destroy. They're all dead. It's just a wasteland. Duh. Got it. What? That weird whirring sound?
Yeah.
That was my throat.
Huh.
I was like breathing out and it was like,
I thought it was bloody some audio coming through one of the stereos.
yeah, we're like, huh.
Yeah, not again.
Total ultimate skills. Skill. Oh, there's my rally car.
What, the person?
Yep, I get to ride them.
Friends over there will get you set up with some new tyres. Come and see me after the race if you need anything else.
Nice.
Ah,
It's me.
I heard about the stunt shoot.
Hey.
Well, yeah, that's what I was waiting for.
Sorry, I'm Alex. I run dirt racing for the festival.
You
Speaking
need
of
a
which,
car that can
we
handle
need a
the
car
dirt.
that can handle the dirt.
Oh, Artasubi. Alright, so we got an Escort, we got an Impreza, and we got, the Stradale. The Stradale. I don't know. The Strudel? The Impreza's pretty nice. That's like the default rally car. And that's just,
Yeah.
Well, pick a number between 1 and 10.
10.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're
There
going
you go.
Stradale. The Stradale.
Straddle.
Solid pick.
Whoa, solid pick. We did it
Obviously know
right.
your stuff.
We did good.
Oh, damn.
So you obviously know your stuff. Is that would you have said that for every single one?
Yeah. Nah.
Nah, I'm just gonna stand here.
Oh, okay.
Just look at it.
So I got that car now.
Yay!
I got a free car. Woo. H. It's Horizon. We might have to take this audio out.
Probably.
Probably. I mean, wait, let's just check the settings. It's loading. Okay, I can't check settings. Well, can I check settings now? Nope, still loading. Oh god, can I check settings now? Nope. Tarn House Scramble. I think we can.
First dirt race coming.
I mean, it comes up on the right who it is and all that, so I guess we're giving them credit. Oh, this is cool. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Get out.
Beetle.
Bear Dog. Mighty Damon. Dan Man, I think it is.
Damn
No,
it.
oh, this is cool. Cut in. Ho! Ho ho!
Oh, ooga booga.
Ooga booga. Oh. Have you got Crash Bandicoot?
I have the disc.
Oh, let's get disc. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Damn, that could be another thing we'll play.
Yeah.
Yeah, next weekend, yeah. We'll be doing another recording session.
Yeah. We could do some Crash Bandicoot. We could do. If we get it, we could play Ink on the Play Ink Bowl.
Oh, yeah, true.
That'd be awesome.
That'd be, yeah. And then what we also got. What else are we playing today? We're playing some Skyrim today, that's right.
Skyrim. We're
Good
making
old
Skyrim
Skyrim.
series.
Yeah, we're going to do a long ass Skyrim series.
Yep, and if we reckon it's good, we'll do another one.
Yeah.
Skyrim is pretty good.
Oh, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Stop it.
I'll cut you, bro.
Duh! Yeah, well, I mean, we could also play Fallout.
Yeah.
We got Fallout 1 finally installed, but yeah, that's gonna be annoying to play. That's gonna
We
be
got
really
Dark Souls.
We got Dark Souls, yeah. If we get time, I think we're doing like an episode of that today, maybe. We got Crisis as well, Crisis 3.
Yeah.
Which, from what I've heard, isn't the best Crisis, but
We
we got it. We're gonna play it. And as we haven't said this for a few episodes actually, but if you have any games you want us to play, let us know and send it to us because we're poor. We're really poor.
Yeah.
I missed it. No, I didn't.
Yeah, we're very poor, as we say.
I did miss it.
Playing 2 brand new games.
Yeah. The catch is that we didn't buy them.
Yeah, we stole them.
Got Halo,
Red Dead Redemption.
Red Dead Redemption. That's a long game.
It is.
That'd be a good playthrough. Do that after we've done Fallout and Skyrim. Another
Yeah.
Bethesda game? No, it's Rockstar. Whoops.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh no. Dishonored 2, yeah. We'll have to finish Dishonored 1.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Fuck, we should probably do that today.
Probably.
Continue with that. So, episode 3 is getting uploaded sometime today. It has. It was uploaded last night, I think.
Yes, it was.
But that was quite a while back for you guys watching this.
Yeah.
Woohoo. I'm gonna kill my brakes by doing that. Just,
Woo!
I'm just gonna use my handbrake to slow down. This is cool. I like this.
Big drifts.
There we go. Following the line. Following the line. Oh, handbrake. Oh, nearly. I think I swing it around too quickly. I'm too good at swinging. Bye. Just the end? Nope.
One more lap.
One more lap. Wait, really?
Maybe. I don't know. There's 3 or 3 laps.
I think we're in the last lap. Is this the end here?
The finish.
Oh, there's the finish.
Drift.
Yeah! Oh, alright.
Magically turns you forward.
Yeah.
Yes. First race.
There we are.
How do you feel?
Didn't do too bad, if I say so myself.
Pretty
Continue.
good.
Yay, we won again.
Mateys.
Wow. That was crazy. We won again? What?
We're so good at winning.
14,000.
How do we keep winning?
I don't
Who
know.
knows?
Maybe it's all those mods we have.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Perform
We don't
like
play
that
games
again and you
properly.
might
Nah.
just make it
Who
into
does
a
that?
oh
Silly
god. Yeah, silly people. Level 3.
You've nearly
Wow.
qualified for the autumn
Wow.
season. Remember,
I've got a lot of
before
influence.
driving,
I can nearly start a
you
cult.
build your influence.
Cataram. Oh, I got a Horizon wheel spin. Hey, sausage. Fancy winning a prize?
Here.
I nearly got a car.
Hey, 45.
The Evolution. Yeah, I can buy a new car now.
Yay.
We might do that and then end the episode. Let's go buy a new car.
Yes.
Let's do it.
See what else is.
I don't want to go to there. I want to go get a new car. I don't care, Jay. There's a street race. I don't care. I want to go buy a new car.
We're here to buy a new car. Stop it.
Stop it.
Tell them what to do.
No, I don't want to go there. I want to go here. Can I fast travel there? I can't. Okay.
Gosh, I could.
I mean, I like that they're like, here's a car.
Here you go. You
Around
can have it.
when it is safe to do so. In 200 meters, turn sharp
Ooh.
right.
This is cool.
Hey everyone, Amy Simpson.
Amy Simpson, is she a new extension of The Simpsons?
What?
What? Bart, Marge, Homer, and Amy.
I'm pretty sure the music in the game is made by that.
Back in the UK,
Well then we should be right. Yeah.
we can even enjoy this beautiful summer sunshine that we're having until it goes back.
Wait. No doubt someone will tell us if we're doing it wrong.
In June.
400 meters.
Hopefully. Ow.
Hope so.
Turn left.
Stop and touch brake.
Okay. Yeah. Just starts grinding.
Car explodes. It's an automatic.
I'm here at my destination, but I want to go there.
Have arrived at your destination.
Yeah.
Jump. Scared. X.
What's
Bah. What this?
Yeah, what is it?
It's the cars, I think. I think this is where I go to get new cars.
Who knows?
Look.
Grr. An auto show.
I can't buy new cars yet.
Damn it, still locked.
Seriously.
Gosh,
Oh, well.
car horns.
Can we? Car horns. What was
Yeah,
that?
just there.
Ah. Music. Oh, they're all locked. Wait. Nice.
Nice. Well, that seems like a good spot to end it.
Wait, we'll end it on this.
Yep.
Woo! Alright, that was cool.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Alright, well, we'll go. Da, da, ha.